Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to upload large or big files using FTP. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cpanel and then you see file upload and then you see maximum file size allowed for upload 500 MB, but our file is larger than this. So this is our file. Now you see file size 970 MB, but in cpanel we have limit 500 MB. So there are multiple ways to upload large files. So first you can contact your hosting provider and then ask them to increase this file size limit, or another way is to upload large files using FTP. So we are in cpanel and then you see FTP account, so click on it. So we are going to create account and then we are going to log in using FileZilla software. So we are in FTP account section and then you see name, domain, you can select, you can add password, directory, and then you see create FTP account, so click on it. Now you see account created. Now go to FileZilla, so click on it. So this is our FileZilla software. You can add host, username, password, port, FTP port 21, and then click on quick connect. So we added host, domain name, username, password, and then you see port 21, FTP port 21, SFTP port 22. So click on quick connect, so click on it. Now you see connection establish, retrieving directory listing. So this is our file. So you can drag and drop here and you can upload using FileZilla. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.